Hey folks, welcome back to Jamie's Locks. I've got an El Cheapo here. Somebody gave me this. No key for it. It's a master, or it's a Brinks lock that's pretty much a clone of a master lock. So let me get this one out of my list for filming, my to-be filmed bucket, and we'll go from there. For this particular lock, I mean, it's got a pretty gaping keyway. I'm going to go ahead and use an 18,000th H1 Peterson, and just standard, pretty much, top of the keyway tension. Where is it? Is that it? Yeah. Okay. No. Alright, let's get this thing going. So, I mean, as with most of these locks, you're going pretty heavy tension, and you're basically just going to pop each pin. Already a false set. Hmm. I mean, I know I haven't picked this thing in a while, but still, it was a pretty easy pick last time. I get. Is there a spool pin in here? There. Yeah, I don't know what the deal with that was. I don't remember there being any security pins in it. I mean, it's still not a long pick. It looks otherwise identical to most master locks. You know, I got a U-Haul clone of one right here, which who knows who made that one. Simple core. Eh, oh well. I don't have a key for it, so get another one out of the bucket. Have a good night.